Have you ever wondered what it would be like to slip through the folds of time, to peek into the past or glimpse the future? Time travel has been a captivating concept for centuries and has sparked the curiosity of humankind in a way that few other concepts have. It's a unique blend of various fields of study. It bridges the gap between science, technology, philosophy, and the unfathomable expanse of the human mind. It's a testament to the limitless boundaries of our imagination and the power of our ingenuity. But what led to this amalgamation of these differing fields? Where did this mind-bending idea originate, and how has it evolved over time? To understand this, we would need to embark on a journey. A journey where we traverse not just through the annals of history, but through the very fabric of time itself. So, buckle up, and let's start our voyage through the captivating chronicles of time travel. Our tale begins thousands of years ago, in ancient civilizations where the seeds of time travel were first sown. These seeds were not sown in the fertile fields of science, but in the rich realms of mythology and folklore. Let's transport ourselves back to that era and delve into these mythological tales that gave birth to the concept of time travel. In the ancient Hindu texts, such as the Mahabharata, there are accounts of King Raivata. King Raivata was a mortal man who, according to the texts, journeyed to heaven and returned to earth centuries later. It's a tale that has captivated generations, not only because of the story's inherent wonder, but also because it suggests the possibility of moving forward in time. Traveling from ancient India, we reach Japan. There we find the tale of Urashima Taro. It's the story of a man who spent merely 3 days in a mystical underwater kingdom, only to return home and find himself in a world 300 years ahead of his time. This tale, like the story of King Raivata, intrigued the ancient people and stimulated their imaginations, inspiring them to ponder the concept of time and its mysteries. The concept of time travel took a philosophical turn with the arrival of the early Greek thinkers. In the writings of renowned philosophers Plato and Aristotle, we encounter profound questions about the nature of time. These philosophers did not explicitly talk about time travel, but their musings served as the intellectual foundation for the topic. They started a discourse that would eventually lead to the evolution of the concept of time travel. Plato and Aristotle's ideas sparked a curiosity in the minds of later thinkers. This curiosity snowballed into a fascination that would span centuries. As time progressed, so did the concept of time travel. It was no longer confined to the realms of mythology and philosophy. It started making its way into literature, art, and even science. As we move forward in our journey, we'll take a closer look at how the concept of time travel has been explored and interpreted by various civilizations and cultures. We'll dive into the works of modern science fiction authors who have used time travel as a central theme in their narratives. We'll also explore how the concept of time travel has been in popular culture, mainly in films and television. With every passing era, the concept of time travel has been redefined and reshaped. It's a testament to our continuous quest for understanding the unknown. We have come a long way from the ancient tales of King Raivata and Urashima Taro. We have evolved from pondering the philosophical nature of time to developing complex scientific theories about time travel. Through the ages, time travel has captured our collective imagination. It has prompted us to ask questions and seek answers. It has made us wonder about the countless possibilities that lie in the future and the mysteries that are buried in the past. Though they did not speak directly of time travel, their musings laid the groundwork for later explorations of the topic. The journey through time continues as we keep pushing the boundaries of our imagination and understanding. Our exploration of time travel isn't over, it's just beginning. And as we delve deeper into the concept, we may find that the future holds more surprises than we can possibly imagine. Before we delve into the birth of modern time travel, let's take a closer look at how ancient civilizations perceived time travel. It's fascinating to realize that our ancestors, despite their limited scientific knowledge, had a profound understanding of time. In ancient Egypt, time was perceived as a cyclical phenomenon rather than linear. Egyptians believed in the concept of eternal recurrence, the idea that history repeats itself in a never-ending cycle. This belief, in a way, is akin to the notion of time travel, a cycle of events that repeats itself, allowing for the possibility of revisiting past events. Next, we journey to the heart of Central America, where the ancient Mayans resided. The Mayans were advanced astronomers, and their understanding of celestial bodies and their movements was extraordinary. They developed complex calendars that accurately predicted astronomical phenomena such as eclipses. The Mayans also believed in a cyclic concept of time like the Egyptians. They viewed time as a wheel, continually turning and repeating. While this isn't time travel in the way we typically imagine it, it's a testament to their understanding of time as a mutable and recurrent entity. Lastly, we return to ancient Greece. As we've mentioned, early Greek philosophers like Plato and Aristotle pondered the nature of time. However, they weren't the only ones. The pre-Socratic philosopher Heraclitus proposed that time is like a river, always flowing, yet always changing. This dynamic view of time, coupled with the philosophical musings of later Greek thinkers, laid the groundwork for our modern understanding of time and its potential for manipulation. These ancient civilizations had their unique interpretations of time and time travel. While they may not have had time machines or complex equations, they had a deep understanding of time's cyclical nature. Their beliefs, stories, and philosophies laid the groundwork for the concept of time travel. They posed questions that would echo through the ages, prompting us to explore and expand upon their ideas. As we move forward, we'll see how these interpretations evolved and laid the foundation for the birth of modern time travel. The concept of time travel as we know it today, however, didn't truly begin to take shape until the 19th century. In 1895, H.G. Wells published The Time Machine, a novel that popularized the idea of a vehicle that could carry its occupant through time. Voiceover. Time travel has been a popular theme in literature for centuries, often used as a vehicle for exploring the human condition and shedding light on our past, present, and future. The narrative device of time travel can be traced back to ancient Indian epic Mahabharata, where King Ravaita travels to heaven and returns to earth, only to find many ages have passed. Fast forward to the 18th century, and we find Rip Van Winkle, a short story by Washington Irving, where the protagonist falls asleep for 20 years and wakes up in a drastically changed future. However, the concept of time travel took a quantum leap in the 19th century with the publication of H.G. Wells' The Time Machine. This seminal work not only introduced the idea of a mechanical device for time travel, but also delved into complex issues like social disparity and the consequences of technological advancement. In the 20th century, time travel narratives became more nuanced. They started exploring paradoxes and the butterfly effect, a concept beautifully illustrated in Ray Bradbury's A Sound of Thunder, where a time traveler's minor act of crushing a butterfly in the past drastically alters the future. From the warnings of Orwell's 1984 to the whimsical adventures in Doctor Who, literature has played a significant role in shaping our understanding of time travel. It has allowed us to grapple with the moral, social, and philosophical implications of meddling with time long before science could even begin to theorize about it. As we move forward, we'll see how these literary depictions have influenced our scientific understanding of time, paving the way for the theory of relativity and beyond. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the fascinating world of time travel. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we encounter a giant leap in our understanding of time, courtesy of Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. Einstein proposed that time is not constant, but instead relative to the observer. This groundbreaking concept opened up a whole new realm of possibilities for time travel, though it remains purely theoretical. Scene script. Voiceover. Time travel has been a staple in movies and TV shows for decades. From H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to Back to the Future and Doctor Who, these imaginative narratives have brought the concept of time travel into our living rooms and have significantly influenced our understanding and perception of this complex theory. In the golden era of cinema, time travel was often depicted as a physical journey, requiring complex machines or devices. These narratives often focused on the ethical implications of altering the past, warning of the potential butterfly effects. In modern cinema and television, the portrayal of time travel has evolved. It's no longer just about the physical journey, but also about the psychological implications. The idea of alternate timelines and parallel universes has been explored in depth, challenging our understanding of time and reality. Movies and TV shows like Interstellar and Stranger Things have used time travel as a plot device to explore complex themes like love, loss, and the fragility of human existence. They've also introduced the concept of wormholes and quantum mechanics, making these complex theories more accessible to the general public. In conclusion, popular culture has played a vital role in our understanding of time travel. It's through these fictional narratives that we continue to explore the possibilities, pushing the boundaries of our imagination and theoretical understanding. As we move into the 21st century, the exploration of time travel in popular culture continues to evolve, mirroring the advances in scientific theories and our ever-growing fascination with the concept. In the 21st century, time travel continues to captivate our collective imagination. It pervades popular culture, featuring in everything from movies and TV shows to books and video games. Scientists, too, continue to explore the possibilities, with theories involving wormholes, quantum mechanics, and parallel universes. Scene script, voiceover. As we journey further into our exploration of time travel, let's delve into the science behind this fascinating concept. Time travel isn't just a product of imaginative minds and creative storytelling, it's a subject that has captivated physicists and scientists for generations. Our understanding of time travel is rooted in physics. The fundamental laws of physics, as we understand them today, don't prohibit the possibility of time travel. However, they do set some pretty stringent conditions on how it could work. To comprehend time travel, we need to grasp the concept of space-time. It's a four-dimensional model where time and space are interconnected, forming a fabric of the universe. Now imagine this fabric as a sheet. When a heavy object like a planet is placed on this sheet, it causes a dip or a curve. This curve is what we experience as gravity. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, if this curve is intense enough, it could potentially bend time, creating a wormhole, a shortcut through space-time. There are several theories and hypotheses surrounding time travel. Some suggest the existence of wormholes or tunnels through space-time. Others propose the idea of cosmic strings, thin, dense strands of energy left over from the early universe, which, if they exist and if they are manipulated correctly, could potentially allow for time travel. But remember, these are just theories. They are based on our current understanding of the universe, which is constantly evolving. The science of time travel is complex and fascinating. It's a field that continues to challenge our understanding of the universe and our place within it. As we step into the unknown, it's important to remember that science doesn't claim to have all the answers. It's a journey of discovery. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll discover that time travel isn't just a theoretical possibility, but a practical reality. But has anyone ever time traveled, you ask? While there's no concrete evidence to support such claims, there are certainly plenty of intriguing stories. Accounts of time slips, precognitive dreams, and alleged time travelers like John Titor have sparked debate and speculation. However, until we have solid proof or a working time machine, these tales remain in the realm of the unverified and the unknown. In the end, whether time travel is possible or not, it's the journey through the idea that truly fascinates us. It's a testament to our endless curiosity, our longing to understand the mysteries of the universe, and our timeless desire to seek what lies beyond the horizon of our present understanding. Time travel, in many ways, is a reflection of humanity's boundless imagination and our unquenchable thirst for knowledge. The future of time travel remains uncertain, but one thing is for sure: our fascination with it is timeless.